What's up, everyone? This is too slow. I'm tired. I'm annoyed from work. Just got off work. It's 6. I'm gonna go meet up with Equinox. I believe that's his username on YouTube. Met him at a NorCal Celica meet, and saw one of his latest videos, and oh gosh, don't want to get copyrighted. I was watching one of his recent videos, and he had shown that I guess his TRD front bumper is damaged.
I honestly don't know how I'm gonna fix this fat crack. I may just wrap over it and then slap another sticker on it. I don't know anything about auto body, so I have no idea how to fix this. One side's higher than the other, so I don't know.
And I offered to help. So I have my stuff in the back. I'm gonna go help him out. Hopefully it all goes well. I've done a lot of bumper plastic, I guess, repairs for a while now, so I'm fix it for him so he can complete his wrap. So let's go. Yeah, you're multitasking.
Se le olvidó tomar su pastilla.
Ay.
No vayan a llorar por mí. Mañana regreso por aquí.
¿De dónde es usted?
Yo, de Oaxaca. Ay, carajo, que soy famoso yo. Ay.
Bien famoso, ¿no?
Cuando estaba chiquito vendía globos.
No, porque yo cuando estaba chiquito tenía un pajarito y ahora que estoy grandote tengo un guajolote. Y dice huevos de león. Sí.
Ay, güey.
Era un payaso el güey.
No, ahora me convertí en ese.
Payaso.
so difficult? Just wiggle them, but just come on.